Welcome to the Z-Hut. Today I'm going to show you how you can use PVC pipe to make a spark plug wrench for your chainsaw, weed trimmer, leaf blower, or other gasoline engine. To make this, we are only going to need a couple of things. First, we need 3 to 4 inch piece of 1/2 inch PVC pipe, a 1/2 inch T-coupler, a spark plug, the size we want to make the wrench for, a heat gun, and a smaller diameter piece of PVC pipe may be helpful, but not necessary. When you are ready to start, turn your heat gun on, and once it warms up, start to heat up the end of the 1/2 inch piece of PVC pipe by turning it quickly while holding it about 1 inch above the heat gun. Once the end is soft but not melting or burning, take your smaller piece of PVC pipe and use it to mushroom the end out a little bit. This will make it easier to insert the spark plug to form the wrench. After you have mushroomed it out a little bit, heat it back up for a few moments. Once again, being careful not to melt it or burn it. Now, take your spark plug that you were making this wrench to fit and insert it into the PVC pipe to form it. While the PVC is cooling, gently move it back and forth a little bit to keep the PVC from forming too tightly around the spark plug. Once the PVC has cooled off, you can add your T to act as a handle, and then remove the spark plug and your wrench is finished. The first couple times you use this, the spark plug will be a little tight, but don't worry, it will loosen up after a few uses. Now that we have completed our wrench, let's try it out. Okay, it works great. I would like to thank you for joining us here at the Z-Hut today. If you found this information useful, please give us a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. I hope you have a great day, and remember, have fun building.